Peacocks are such majestic creatures. With feathers that shimmer like 1,000 rainbows, they are the true divas of the bird world. Watching a peacock open its wings is like witnessing a magical fan of colors unfolding, as if Mother Nature is revealing her hidden masterpiece. We could watch this all day. We're almost hypnotized. What do you think? Did you know that peacocks use their stunning plumage to attract mates? The more vibrant the feathers, the more attractive they appear to potential partners. We absolutely love this. Thank you for watching.